for 1E about negative numbers. We can use negative numbers to distinguish between left and right, up and down, financial profits and losses, warm and cold temperatures, and the clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation of a wheel or a clock. So this says with a partner, so you don't have a partner right now, but that's okay. So yourself, write a negative number to describe each of these situations. Now's a good time to pause and then write down what you think these numbers would be. So below 0 means -6. A loss is negative. Below sea level, anti-clockwise, all of these things are negative. The solution to the equation, so last year we did these where we took 5 from both sides, take 5, and we got x equals 3 minus 5 is -2. Okay. You can describe another situation, or can you describe another situation in which you might make use of negative numbers? There's many different things for negative numbers, and we'll use them quite a bit. Okay, the number line is a really big key idea that we learned last year in year 7 of how to add and subtract negative numbers. It would be good if you could get to the point where you don't need a number line today or tomorrow. So, 2 signs between 2 numbers. Let's talk about that. Well, let me just put this key idea here first, girls. Let's just do something. I'll use a different color pen, and we'll do an example on the number line like -5 plus -3. Okay. That means I'm starting at -5, and I'm adding -3. These 2 signs between 2 numbers last year we decided would become like this. And anytime I see a negative, I go to the left, the operation. So 1, 2, 3, I end at -8. So that brings up 2 signs between 2 numbers. They must be changed first. So 2 signs between 2 numbers need to be changed first. So these 2, if they're the same, so minus a minus, it changes to a plus. So this is 3 plus 7, or 10. If they're different, like up here, it changes to a negative. So a plus and a minus, or a minus and a plus, change to a negative sign. A minus, or a plus and a plus, change to a positive sign. All right, let's keep going. Using the number line or thinking of money can really be helpful. So here's the example. Use the greater than or less than symbol below. So -7 is greater than or less than 2. If I look back at the number line, -7 is to the left of 2, so it's definitely less than 2. B, if a temperature 20 degrees Celsius is reduced by 3 degrees, what is the final temperature? So 20 reduced by means minus, so 17 degrees Celsius. Okay, on these examples, let's go through. I'm not going to use a number line. I'm going to use money. That's what I always use, money. And in the money situation, I say if it's negative, you owe it, and if it's positive, you have it. So in this one, it says -5 plus 2. So I say you owe $5, but you have 2. So you pay the person you owe the $2, and you still owe them 3. Owe is negative, have is positive. So -1 plus 4, try that one if you want to pause, is 3. Maybe pause and try this one. -2 minus 3, I owe $2 and I owe $3, so I owe $5. Okay, and these are your questions that you need to do out of the book. Don't forget to check your answers.